So what should you do if your white clothes have turned blue? Well, that's what we're here to find out today. First, I wanted to talk about the causes, and then I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to fix this problem. So the culprit of this, generally, you will find is that you have mixed your whites together with something blue, or perhaps you just left something blue inside your washing machine, pen or blue lipstick. Does anybody use that? You want to remove that. Another thing that could happen is that your actual washing machine has some blue dye residue inside it. So what you want to do here is that you want to run a hot cycle with vinegar inside it. So I put vinegar in the washing tray as well as in the fabric softener tray. And that's going to fix and clean up the washing machine. You can also kind of go over it with a rag just to be on the safe side. Beyond this, one of the most common reasons is that you have put way too much of a blue fabric softener inside there. Now, I know that it makes your clothes smell nice, but there is a reason why there is a measuring cup. If you use too much of it, it can leave stains on the clothes. Now, this is very easy to fix if this is the culprit. Just wash it with less blue fabric softener. Obviously, if you insist on keeping the smell, you can try to use something like a clear fabric softener, or perhaps you could find something that smells a little bit stronger so you can use less of it. These are generally what will have caused your clothes to turn blue. Now, you could also have faulty pipes that is leaking acid into your water, thereby turning your clothes blue. This is much less likely. Check these things first, run the wash cycle, make sure you're not using way too much detergent. Make sure you're not using way too much fabric softener. So this problem is actually really easy to fix. All you really need is a basin, a bucket, bathtub might work in a pinch as well. And from here we just take the garment that has turned blue. If you have multiple, obviously stack them on top of each other. And we're going to fill the basin up so that the garments we are washing is fully submerged. Now, how hot water you use depends on how much the clothes can handle. I generally say around 40 degrees Celsius, fine. See here, it's already leaking blue. Now, another thing I would like to mention is that if this has happened to you, don't dry the clothes. That's going to make the dye set faster. Just put them in the basin right away. So this is more than enough water. Actually, this is too much. I'm going to let some out. Next up, you will need oxygen-based bleach. So you can also use regular chlorine bleach, but what can happen is that you can end up with a t-shirt or other garment that turns yellow instead of blue. So oxygen-based bleach is great. The boxes will usually say how much you need to use, depending on how many clothes you're actually soaking here. Half a spoon is more than enough for this t-shirt. Just sprinkle it over here. Now you need to make sure that this is mixed in with the water properly. So if you have extra stains, now is a good time to put some extra of this oxygen-based bleach on there. If you don't know what this is, I'll add a link, by the way. So best use gloves, otherwise wash your fingers thoroughly after this. All right, so now we have submerged it. We've put our oxygen-based bleach on top here. Now it's the waiting game. So this is going to take a while. I usually leave it for 6 hours at least. You can leave it for longer, but the box recommends only 6 hours. I have left it overnight before, but maybe follow the instructions. And after this, we're gonna give it a little bit of an extra wash. We're gonna rinse it a little bit, but now I need to leave it here for a while. All right, so it's been a couple of hours here. Let's see how our t-shirt is doing. Dun, 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 dun. As you can see, it's a lot better right now. So, oops, so I'm already flushing out the water here, I was going to say. Let's remove the water here and rinse it. Now, you can repeat this process a couple of times if you're not fully satisfied with the result from this. Keep in mind that it will wear a little bit on the t-shirt using bleach on it all the time. But yeah, it can work fine. Also, the washing machine is done washing here a while ago. So what we're going to do next here, once I'm done just rinsing this, getting out some of that extra oxygen bleach here. There you can see the results. I think it's pretty impressive. Anyway, since we've already done this now, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to open the washing machine here and we're going to give this a new wash. Now, I will give you some extra tips here as well, so that you don't end up with blue clothes again. So, since the washing machine is clean now, there's not going to come anything from that. If you're sure you have separated everything properly, not gonna get any blue from that. If you still get blue close now, that means that you have pipe problem. So you will need to call a professional about that. So the first thing that we need to do is take our garment, obviously toss it in there. Sure, everything is nice, no red socks in there or anything. Close it up. Now I'm gonna do a regular cotton load here. I'm also gonna turn down the temperature here to 40 because that's all the t-shirt allows for. You can either use regular detergent now or you can use more oxygen-based bleach. If you still have a little bit of blue color left in your garment, I would go with oxygen-based bleach here. 1/4 of a cup is more than enough for this. If you have hard water, you can also now add some extra baking soda in here. I usually put about 1/4 worth of the oxygen-based bleach. In the fabric softener tray here, you see where it says max there? That means it's max. Also, if you look at the back of your container here, you can also see how much fabric softener you should actually use. Personally, I don't like to use fabric softener. I like to instead use vinegar. And I do recommend after this wash in particular that you use some white vinegar in your washing machine. You don't want the strong one. Dilute it down to about maybe 5%. Pop that in here and we are ready to start the wash. Now after this, you should have a really beautiful and nice garment. I also wanted to mention here that I'm also doing a pink t-shirt at the same time here, so you can check that out next. I hope you like this video. I have a bunch more on my channel. So yeah, definitely subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll see you next time. And here's the result.